Hi, I am Akinshola Samson. You're welcome to this video course on animating a walk cycle like a pro. All 18 episodes on this course will be uploaded on our YouTube channel once per week. However, you can get the full video course on our website, Levonotion.com. It's time to walk. Let's animate a walk. Hi guys, welcome to this new video. And this is what we have so far. It's time to continue working on the character's arm to make it less rigid. To do this, I'll start by working on the forearm, and I want to go to the side view. And this changes would happen on the passing pose. So we have our first passing position on frame 7, and on frame 7 I can see that the arm is swinging backwards, so I need to drag the elbow just a little bit. Yeah, that position should be fine. And I'm going to set the keyframe there. But so far, I don't have a keyframe yet on frame 1, so I'm just going to quickly do that. Ctrl Z. So go back to frame 1 and set a keyframe there. That's the initial position. And on frame 7, I want to bring this here, set a keyframe. So that would help add a bit of drag. As you can see, the arm goes back and you have that drag. So this is very nice, right? Now, we need to add another drag on the second passing position, and that's frame 19. So on frame 19, as you can see, the arm is coming forward, swinging forward. That means we'll have to drag the forearm a bit backward. So now this depends on how exaggerated you want it to be. You can break the elbows if you want to, but in our case, we'll just go for something minimal. So just fairly straight arm is just fine. So select that keyframe and let's see what we have. Yeah, cool. So this looks good. Okay, so from this curve, I can see that I don't have the post and pre-infinity curves, so I need to add those. Alt H to unhide all the attributes, A to select them all, and then I want to go to channel, extrapolation mode, and make cyclic. And now you can see it. Now from the cyclic visual representation, I can see that my curve is not really looking great. That's the X rotation curve. So Shift H. Let's fix what the problem is. Now you can see the first problem is we don't have any keyframe on frame 25, and we always want our first frame to be the same as frame 25. Ctrl V to have that. Now the curve looks better, but it's still not looking as good as I would want it. So I want to select both the first and the last keyframes. Then I want to check out this curve. So what I'm trying to get here is to have similar arcs at the top and at the base of this curve. So to do that, I need to move this keyframe upwards, so GY, and push upwards. So as I push, you can see that changes the shape of this curve, or graph rather. And so I like this. This looks very, very good. Okay, so it's time to play this and let's see what we have. Yeah, now the arm swing is very nice. You can see how fluid the arm swing is, right? Okay, so at this point, I think it's a good time to quickly give a rough pose for the fingers. And AYMultiCharacter, as you can see, is the rig that is the kit used for this character here. AYMultiCharacter comes with presets on post library that can easily be used. So I need that for the fingers just to get a base to work with. So I can start with this palm curl. So let's select the fingers. By the way, you can quickly create a selection set for your fingers if you want to, but I'm just going to do this quickly here now. So the the left fingers are selected already, and I'm going to click on the palm. So quickly, I'm going back to my animation because I don't need the pose library again. And you can see that I already have the arms called, okay? So from here, this is just like a base. I can tweak it to my taste. So let's just get the base controls. Yeah, all four. And I'll quickly change to local here in order to rotate them along the local axis. Just bring this out a bit. Do the same thing for the middle controls. Bring them out a bit. And the index finger needs to come out more. Okay. And maybe the thumb. All right, so this looks good. You can see it looks good. So what I'm going to do now is select all the controls once again. And I'm going to copy that, Control C to copy, and Control Shift V to paste to the other side. Now from here, I can set a keyframe for that arm, for that finger. Yeah, so I can set a keyframe for the fingers and select this. I deliberately don't want to set a keyframe on all controls, so that's why I'm going through this pane. Select them one after the other. And by the way, I keep selecting the mesh by mistake. To avoid this, you can easily come here and lock the mesh. This way, you can't select the mesh mistakenly. All right, so if you need to interact with the mesh, just go there and unlock. That's all. So set this keyframe for the fingers, for the character's right arm, and I think we're good. Let's play the animation to see what it looks like. Now from the front view, the arm still looks funny. We're still gonna go there and fix that. All right, so far, this is what we have. I quickly want to switch to the side view. Let's see what it looks like from the side view. So select the side camera, Control O to flip camera, and this is what the walk looks like from the side. Now the arm swing looks much more interesting. And the perspective view also looks like this, Control O, and here is the perspective view. Our walk is coming together already. So guys, this is what I'm going to call it a wrap for this video. In the next video, we'll continue working on the character's arms. So see you in the next video.